Hello, infinite learners, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to create certificates for students with their names and LRNs, learner reference numbers, in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, we need a copy of our certificate in Publisher or Word format. We also need an Excel file containing the names and LRNs of our learners, as you can see on the screen. If you have these two files ready, open the Publisher file containing our certificate. In the upper portion, click on Mailings, then click Select Recipients, and choose Use an Existing List. Look for the Excel file containing the list of names and LRNs of your learners. A pop-up will appear, asking you which sheet of the Excel file contains the information you need. After choosing the appropriate sheet, click OK. At this point, the Mail Merge Recipients window will pop up. Click OK to move forward. We have now set up our recipients. It's time to insert merge fields where our learners' names and LRNs will be located. To do this, place the cursor where the name should be. In the upper part, click Insert Merge Field and choose Name. You will see the word name appear along with 4 arrows. Delete the existing name in our certificate. Now that we've completed the names, let's proceed to the LRNs. Delete the existing LRN. Click Insert Merge Field, then choose LRN. Finally, to create a certificate for each name, click Finish and Merge, then click Merge to New Publication. A new Publisher file will appear with 20 sheets since there are 20 learners. Each sheet will contain a unique name and LRN arranged based on the order from the Excel file. That's how easy it is. If you have any more questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. For more videos like this, please follow and subscribe to our channel.